And as you now have domain, a web hotel and WordPress installed, let's see how the dashboard works and how to start making pages for you. This is the first view you get when you log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Here on the left are all the modules, tools and options which will get familiar to you on the way you build your site. I have here few more plugins than you have in the beginning, but I will tell you what plugins are essential and how you can find more to suit your needs and help with making your site just the way you want to. Let's first check your basic settings straight. Here, click Settings and choose General. Put and check your information there as I have here, and pause the video if needed, and after you are ready, click Save Settings. Next, we'll need some plugins to get started. Here on the left you have Plugins module, where you can see all your plugins, update them if they are not updated automatically, remove ones you don't need or didn't work at the moment. Most importantly, through here you'll go find the plugins helping you in not needing to know how to code everything. They are mostly free plugins and they suit us very well. We'll want Advanced Editor Tools, TinyMCE Advanced. That'll give you more options to edit the text you write. There are two big competitors in helping to build blocks in our pages: Site Origin and Elementor. I prefer Site Origin, so let's download that. If you want to get Elementor, that is totally fine, and I'm sure it is easy to use too, but I'm teaching with Site Origin's plugins. We'll take Page Builder by Site Origin and Site Origin Widgets bundle. Then be sure to check you have Classic Editor plugin. It helps in writing text again. This is enough for now. Here in Settings, Page Builder, see that you have the same parts ticked as I have here, so you have everything going smoothly. And here in Advanced Editor Tools, you can remove and add tools for your writing editor, so if it seems you are missing something, come here to check you have it with you. And again, check you have ticked the same parts as I have. Next big step is to choose the theme of your website. There are many good free ones, but compared to paid ones, they usually lack some options which you can get if you pay little price. That's not needed, as I'll later show how you can add code for small adjustments without knowing how to code. Aren't you lucky one to be on this course, right? WordPress should be during the first steps prompting you to choose your theme. Don't rush that phase. It's possible to change them later, and it's easy, but the adjustments and settings you use on one theme won't necessarily follow to new theme, and then you have to do lots of extra work which you already did. Google, for example, best free themes WordPress and explore which would suit your needs. In the themes here in WordPress dashboard, you can also scroll them and get a preview which would look nice for you. Everything can be done without the best theme for you, but it helps things a lot. I have noticed Bento is the best for me. It has all the things I need and lots of options to modify things many free themes don't. Pause the video, take your time, and when you have chosen your theme, install it, and we are ready to continue. Let's do the first page for you. Here on the left you have all pages. You might have it in your own language, but the icon is the same. Hover your mouse there and click it. The first draft page will be your front page. Hover over it and click Edit. Now we'll start to enjoy of Site Origins help. Here you see there are ready templates for you to use, but often you'll get best result just by building by yourself. Before you can add a widget for image, writing, slider, audio, etc., you'll need a row where to put them. Add row, choose how many parts it has. This is easy to change later as many times as you want, and insert it. Now let's for example click the middle part and add a Site Origin editor, which is used to write things. There. Let's add some text. Edit it how we see fit. And there. And bravely explore all the things you can do to your text. Then click Done. Let's add two images. Click the box, add widget, choose Site Origin image, and let's add image. Then let's change the image size, and we are done. There. And second image. Done. And here we have preview changes button, which shows what we have done so far. Same can also be done with this live editor button. If you are happy with the result, click Save Draft or Publish or Update. You can add as many rows and widgets you like, and there are many ways to modify them. The color of the site and many other things are set in theme settings here.